guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is mission 6.5 because we screwed up mission 6 by turning right instead of left. Sometimes the difference between life and death. During our patrol mission over the Rhina area, we saw two targets of opportunity. A pair of 262s about to take off to intercept us. But on this run we're going to make use of our speed and terrain and come around and get our target as he's taking off. That's Enchetti down there and Hengelo off the wingtip. Time to turn 080.
Rescue. Search for enemy aircraft. Free to engage. Out.
And it's a deja vu. There's that train down there again. That's what happens with scripted campaigns. We can easily recognize Rhina and the airfield down there, and we're almost at our patrol point. Normally on patrol we're going to pull the power back to conserve fuel. We'd like to stay up here for a long time looking for the bad guys. And as we start our racetrack pattern around to 270, we notice that down below, lo and behold, are two aircraft taking off. So we're going to attack those guys, as we discussed. So remember, our plan here is going to be to hit the one and then go low and fast over that forest in the distance and come around and hit the other guy as he takes off. Now I have a chance of hitting both those aircraft on this at this time, but I'm not going to take that opportunity.
Rescue 2. Engaging fighter.
Give him a chance to get rolling there. Okay, now we're coming in. If I can slow down a bit here, that's fine.
Bearskin 4. Engaging fighter. It's close. Out.
Flak's up on me. Just gotta stay out here. Get away from the flak.
Bearskin 3. Engaging fighter. It's close. Out. Bearskin 4. I'm wounded.
With his lights off and camouflage, he's very difficult to see, so we have to get down low enough to put him against the horizon. Okay, I can't see him. There he is.
Bearskin 3. I'm wounded.
So I don't have to worry about flak now. I'm just going to try and take care of him. Get behind him here. He's gonna get away from me if I don't get to him pretty soon. Okay, that's a better position here. That's him done. assess the threat potential of everything constantly. And this is well demonstrated here because in the last mission I turned right and it turned out badly. This time turning left was a better choice and I survived. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you for mission 7. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.